Hello, children. Today we will read the poem Mother Bird, written by Walter Delamere. Walter Delamere was an English poet, short story writer, and a novelist. In 1902, he published his first major work, the poetry collection Songs of Childhood, which was recognized as a significant example of children's literature for its creative imagery. This poem is a tribute to motherhood and illustrates the universal love through a mother bird that is helpless and brave all at once upon espying an intruder around her nest. Now, children, let's read the poem. Through the green twilight of a hedge, I peered with cheek on the cool leaves pressed, and spied a bird upon a nest. Hedge means fence. Peered. This word means to look closely. The poet has used the word green twilight as the dull sunlight falling through the green leaves on the hedge may have looked like the greenish light of the evening. So, through these lines, the poet says that he looked through a hedge and spots a mother bird guarding her nest. Two eyes she had beseeching me, meekly and brave, and her brown breast throbbed hot and quick above her heart. Beseeching. Beseeching means begging, pleading. Meekly means gently, and throbbed means to beat. So the bird observed someone peering through the leaves and stared at him as if pleading with him not to steal her eggs. Her heart started beating fast as she could sense the danger around her nest. And then she oped her dagger bill. It was not a chirp as a sparrow's pipe. At break of day, it was not a trill as falters through the quiet even. Oped means opened, and here apostrophe T means it. Similarly, here as well, apostrophe T means it. So, dagger bill, with the word dagger bill, the poet wants to say that the beak of the bird was looking like a dagger. Dagger is a small knife. Pipe. Pipe means speak or sing in a high voice. Trill. Trill means a musical sound repeated quickly. And falters. Falters means a weak sound, a sound which is getting weaker. Even is a way of writing evening. So the bird made a sharp and fierce sound to drive the speaker away from that place. The speaker compares the bird's beak to a dagger because she had opened it like the short, sharp weapon as her means of defending her cheeks or eggs. The sound she made was not like the twitter of sparrows in the morning or the chirping we hear in the evenings, but one sharp solitary note. Solitary means one, only one. One desperate, fierce, and vivid cry. Desperate means ready to do anything. Fierce. Fierce means frightening. And vivid means clear. Of valiant tears and hopeless joy. One passionate note of victory. Valiant. Valiant means brave. So the sound of the bird was not an ordinary one. It was like a shout of courage mingled with joy at being successful in scaring the intruder. It shows that mother's love is unconditional and boundless. They are our fierce protectors and would do anything in their capacity for our safekeeping. Off like a fool afraid, I sneaked, smiling the smile the fool smiles best, at the mother bird in the secret hedge, patient upon her lonely nest. Sneaked. Sneaked means to move away quietly. The speaker felt foolish for being caught by the bird and almost afraid of her when she made a sharp and fierce sound. He quietly moved away from the spot, smiling while the mother bird remained at her nest, patiently waiting for for her eggs to hatch. That's all about the poem, children. Thank you.